Hello, welcome to Solving Watercolour. My name's Andy. I'm a British watercolour painter and I emigrated to New Zealand about 16 years ago. Most people think of New Zealand as some kind of rural paradise, but it's not true. We have problems here just like the rest of the world. Crime, noisy neighbours, traffic jams. So today I'm getting away from all that insanity and going for a camping trip with the family. A chance to do a bit of plein air painting. That's painting outdoors. So there's no doubt that working indoors in a comfortable studio environment has many practical advantages, so why venture outside? Working indoors means generally working from photographs, and photographs have an inherent limitation. Photographs take us several steps away from reality and they limit our experience to just the visual. Not only that, they distort and flatten reality and confine it within a rectangular border. The first time that I tried plein air painting, I was pleasantly surprised at how fresh and spontaneous my work suddenly looked. It had a noticeably different appearance to anything that I'd ever done in the studio. I didn't have time for caution or excessive planning, and the rapidly changing light combined with the unpredictable weather conditions meant that I had no choice but to put my conscious mind on hold and work as quickly as possible, just immersing myself in the moment. So many people are put off by the idea of painting outdoors, but there's really no need to be. You don't need to set up an enormous easel in the middle of the town square and start painting away. Just start with some discrete pencil sketches in a small sketchbook while you're at the beach or a park, and it's unlikely you'll even be noticed. I've written a blog post with lots of tips for plein air watercolour painting, so go and check that out. The link's in the description below. So today's time-lapse painting is a larger version of the painting from my sketchbook that I did. And for those of you who are enrolled in my course, Successful Watercolour Landscapes, I will be uploading a full real-time tutorial on this painting as a bonus lesson.